zero liquid discharge. This zero liquid discharge means it is a series of process like membrane filtration, reverse osmosis, evaporation, crystallization that extract pure water from industrial effluent, leaving behind sludge, dissolved solids, suspended particles, salt crystals, etc. that can be disposed in the scientific manner, but liquid cannot be disposed outside the premises. This concept is known as ZL. And this ZL means physical and chemical treatment, also biological treatment below the organic load of the chemical. Now, the requirement of ZL in India is Supreme Court directed some pharmaceutical industry like in Hyderabad to pay the farmers 4,000 acres annually due to loss of soil fertility from the industries. And NGT is National Green Tribunal. This is the environmental code, has issued a notification to maintain ZLD by every industry, and all the industry in critically polluted area has to maintain ZLD concept only. Punjab Pollution Control Board maintains ZLD in 8 large electroplating industry in Ludhiana. And recently Surat is under critically polluted area, which maintain the ZLD concept only due to water pollution, intensive water pollution. Next. Benefit is in maintaining ZLD, it is having high operating cost because evaporation means evaporation of reject water or having high COD water, which cannot be treated by ETPs, can be evaporated through multiple effect evaporator. And these multiple effect evaporators costing, suppose we need to install 5 KL per hour, then cost about 25 lakhs as a capital. Then recurring cost is also very high. So in case of evaporation, is maintaining ZLD is very critical, very tedious job, and for the industrialist, this is non-productive. So recovery cost, of course, recovery cost is more than 90-95%. And in ZLD, after ZLD, we need to reuse that water. So after reusing the water, the natural resource can be conserved at the site. So that is the benefit. Next. Challenges. One is the energy consumption is very high because we need to evaporate the wastewater. Evaporation needs more electricity. So, and second one, disposal of the solid waste, because after evaporation the salts are there. Means multiple effect evaporator or single stage evaporator, they remain the salts of that water. Next. There is one case study for you of one textile industry in the Surat. So this is the water jet at Om Textile Park. This is water jet means they are weaving the grey cloth only. So this is the manufacturing process. They are purchasing yarns from the market. They are manufacturing the grey and then selling to again to the same market. Nothing at all. But in this process, they need a huge quantity of water. We can say means every machine need about 3,000 to 3,500 liters per day, one machine, and about 15 to 20% of that water remains with the cloth, and about 80 to 85% water as a wastewater that cannot be reused without proper treatment. The wastewater from this industry, the wastewater have high oil and grease content. and suspended material. Why? Because yarns, जब yarn इसके अंदर पास होगा तो wear and tear होगा उसका, तो उसके yarn के जो particles हैं, कांजी हिंदी में बोलते हैं उसको गुजराती में, वो उसके साथ में रहेगा in the suspended particle. तो high suspended particle more than 300 mg per liter and iron increase. These two basic parameters in that wastewater. And in case of solid waste, you can see only one solid waste, that is non-hazardous. But in case of hazardous, one is ETP sludge and used oil. But this is non-hazardous, means ये आपका wear and tear के बाद निकलने वाला yarn का ही part. Next, this is the water balance of under ZLD. जो हमने अभी बताया आपको zero liquid discharge. How? See, total water requirement is 240.45 approx 240 liters, kiloliter. Kilo means 1000. So one day, D for daily. This water requires daily for small unit. 240 KLD water required for small industry, which is producing about 20 tons per month. Grey cloth, 20 tons only. And under ZLD, this plant has been designed by me only. We have reduced the water consumption is 88 less than 100. How? You can see total water is 240. Now after treatment we have a ETP of 152 KL. This is DAP system. After treatment we are using that water again to the process. Whole water, no drop of wastewater goes outside the premises, and only sludge means from that treatment solid sludge can be sent to the TSDF site. And RO reject again, because we have RO to treat the TDS. TDS cannot be treated by any ETP. ETP cannot treat TDS. So we need RO again, because TDS वहाँ पर है, so we need TDS. So there are two stages of RO, which is about 80 to 85% of recovery. We have calculated only 82%. So after 82% permeate, we have RO value of 41, about 42 KLD, and this can be evaporated using multiple effect or single effect. We have installed single effect evaporator because this is small. So whole process is under ZLD. Green belt domestic, that is the only separate part. But in case of industrial wastewater, we are completely reusing the water in the back cycle. And now we are using less than 100 KL water per day. Where we need 240, means 250 के अप्रॉक्स पानी चाहिए, वहाँ पर 100 KL से पानी काम चला रहे हैं. मीन्स जनरली का सबसे बड़ा बेनिफिट है कि नेचुरल रिसोर्स को हम कंजर्व कर सकते हैं. दिस इज द फ्लो डायग्राम ऑफ ETP अंडर ZLD. ETP क्या क्या यूनिट्स हैं? पहला आपका कलेक्शन टैंक, मीन्स पानी जो आ रहा है उसको हमने इकट्ठा किया. एंड दिस गोज टू अंडर 5 फ्लॉपलेटर्स. 5 फ्लॉपलेटर अभी हम नेक्स्ट में दिखाएंगे आपको कैसा है. 5 फ्लॉपलेटर में केमिकल डोजिंग टैंक से 2 केमिकल्स हमने यूज़ किया. वन इज लाइम एंड एलम फिटकरी. लाइम मीन्स चूना, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. ओके, एंड देयर इज वन स्लग ड्राइंग बेड, जो ETP से स्लग निकलेगा उसको ड्राइंग बेड में लेके जाएंगे. उसका पानी रिसाइकिल बैक टू द कलेक्शन टैंक. अगर कोई एक्स्ट्रा पानी वाटर निकल रहा है, वी हैव टू सेट इट दैट. एंड नाउ दिस इज द एरेशन ट्यूब मीडिया अंडर DAP सिस्टम, डिसॉल्व्ड एयर रोटेशन. Then filtered water tank goes dual media filter. Dual media is having activated carbon and precious sand combined together. Conventionally we are using separate PSF and ACF, but in this case we have combined it together. Dual media. Then goes to RO to remove the TDS, and then permeate goes to process, industrial process, and reject goes to the evaporator. And hence this is the ZLD. Next, this is the unit जो हमने आपको बताया. Next, collection tank और DAP system, through several media, scrapper, water slate, sludge. And see, after treatment, untreated water is milky water because this doesn't have COD BOD. This wastewater has only 2 Yeah, suspended solids and oil and grease. So after treatment, you can see the transparent water. Means this water can be again reused. And this is the schematic diagram of our ETP, which is designed for the specially textile units. Next, this is the actual site photographs. Pipe operator, जो हम बता रहे हैं, compressions, and this is lab system, and there is dual media filter. Next, अब इसमें अभी इसको चला इसको ध्यान